I'll teach you an easy 3-4-5 breathing method you can use during meditation. Basically, you breathe in through your nose for 3 seconds, hold for 4, and exhale through your mouth for 5. Let's try it. Gently close your eyes and relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Inhale slowly, count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Feel your belly expand and hold this breath gently for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, exhale softly through your mouth for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Releasing any tension as you exhale. Let's repeat. Breathe in through your nose for 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold gently. Feel the quiet in this moment. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale slowly, releasing tension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale slowly for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how to do the 3-4-5 breathing method. Do this breathing next time in your meditation practice. Thank you for joining Zintali Meditation. Don't forget to like and subscribe.